Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, I have a pitcher in which nabid is made for me. I drink it as long as it remains sweet. If I drink ample of it and settle it in the company of the people, I fear humiliation. He said, Abdul Qais' delegation visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Welcome to a people that is neither in loss nor is ashamed. They submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the polytheists of the tribe Mudar intervene between you and us, so we cannot visit you except during the sacred month. So you may enjoin us some such things, complying which we may enter paradise and invite the people we have left behind to follow it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I enjoin you 4 things and forbid you 4 things. Firstly, believe in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And do you know what is meant by believing in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu? It means to testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. First thing, to establish prayer. Second thing, to pay zakat, poor due. Third thing, to observe fast during the month of Ramadan. Fourth thing, to pay the royal fifth out of the booty, and forbid you 4 things. Number 1, hollow gourd. Number 2, hollowed wood vessels. Number 3, green glazed pitcher. Number 4, and pitcher coated with pitch. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4368.